Every masterpiece begins beneath the earth, where raw iron waits to be transformed into power. Forged in fire, refined under extreme heat, steel becomes the backbone of precision engineering. Flattened with absolute accuracy, every millimeter engineered for strength and perfection. From mill to machine, the journey of transformation begins. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, innovation meets industrial precision. Raw steel enters the system, ready to take its first form. Thousands of tons of pressure, shaping identity in a single strike. Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle. Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Every angle measured, every flaw eliminated before it exists. Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. The foundation of beauty, applied with robotic perfection. Color meets craftsmanship, turning metal into emotion. Sealed under heat,
High preservability.
where durability becomes permanent. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion. Crafted for comfort, designed for long journeys. Clarity sealed. Clarity, seal, precision locked into place. Every movement refined, every detail perfected. Control meets luxury, where driver meets innovation. Nervous system installed, connecting intelligence to motion. Body and soul unite, forming a complete machine.
The connection is stable now. Look at the thermal readings here.
Yes, optimizing the sequence now.
Tested under pressure. Proven under extremes. Sealed against the elements. Built to endure. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Life flows in, preparing the machine for motion. Grip meets ground. Ready to move. Across oceans, engineering travels globally.
Perfection is not optional. It is mandatory.
More than a car, a symbol of engineering excellence. Speed meets Demonu. Luxury delivered. Rolling out of the factory toward the world. From factory floor to showroom spotlight. Protected for the journey, preserved for delivery. Rolling out of the factory toward the world. A dream fulfilled. Precision meets passion.